In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text italic in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design, and being able to quickly style your text is fundamental to creating compelling interfaces and graphics. Whether you're emphasizing a particular word, indicating a title, or simply adhering to design conventions, knowing how to apply an italic style to your text is a skill you'll use constantly. It's a very straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you can do it with confidence, enhancing both the readability and aesthetics of your designs. To begin, you'll first need to open your Figma project and navigate to the canvas where your text is located. Once you have your design open and the text element you wish to modify is visible, your very first action is to select that specific text layer. You can do this by simply clicking directly on the text on your canvas. When you click it, you should see a bounding box appear around the text, indicating it's now selected. After selecting your text, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your Figma interface. This is where the Properties panel is located, a crucial area for making design adjustments. Within this panel, you'll want to locate the Design tab, and more specifically, scroll down until you find the Text or Typography section. This section houses all the controls related to font styling, size, line height, letter spacing, and, most importantly for us today, the font weight and style. It's usually quite prominent and easy to spot. Now that you're in the Typography section, you'll see various drop-down menus and input fields. Look for the drop-down that typically displays the current style of your font, such as regular, bold, medium, or similar options. This drop-down menu is your gateway to changing the text's weight and style. Click on this drop-down menu. A list of available styles for your currently selected font will appear. From this list, you should see an option labeled Italic. Simply click on Italic to apply the style. Immediately, you'll observe your selected text on the canvas transform into its italicized version. It's that quick and easy, and the changes are applied in real time. A quick tip to keep in mind: not all font families include an italic style. If you click the drop-down and don't see italic as an option, it likely means the specific font you're using does not have a dedicated italic variant. In such cases, you might need to either choose a different font that does offer an italic style, or if your design allows, consider using an alternative emphasis like changing the font weight to bold, or even increasing the font size slightly to achieve a similar visual effect. However, for most common fonts, you'll find the italic option readily available. And there you have it. With just a couple of clicks, you can easily make any text italic in Figma, allowing you to add emphasis and visual interest to your designs. Mastering these small but impactful text adjustments is key to becoming more efficient and effective in your design workflow.